So noise is a big problem when you're doing speech recognition. It's easy enough to do speech recognition in a quiet room if you're speaking at a normal voice. So check this out. I'll say, my stocks, my weather, and this sample app here is getting it no problem. However, look what happens if we turn the voice, get some background noise. Holy cow, I can't even hear myself, right? But with this new technology that I'm demonstrating, Kopin's whisper voice, this is gonna work. Check it out. My weather. My stocks. Main menu. You can imagine being in a restaurant or somewhere, anywhere practically, and you can actually talk to your computer or talk to your headset if you've got a headset with this in it. Or talk to your phone. It's going to be very impressive. So Kopin makes this technology, and so far it hasn't appeared in any consumer devices. It will be in Kopin's upcoming Solos smart glasses, and Kopin says that they're looking to license the technology or the chips or the Whisper Voice chip to other vendors. So you may be seeing this somewhere soon, or more likely, you may be having it hear you sometime soon. For Tom's Guide, I'm Avram Pelch at CES 2018.